What's up, guys? Flying Ryan here, HVAC guys, coming at you with the first video for the channel, and it's gonna be on the LED lighting in my van. Let's check it out. Stay tuned. I'm gonna link down below the Amazon link for the light that I used. Click on it. Help me out. Greatly appreciate it if you do. And yeah, let's check it out. I have a 2023 Transit van. Basically what I did is I took my start point, ran it into here. I tapped into the pre-existing LED lights here. I tapped into here and ran the LED lights down and around through the columns all the way down to the very, very back there. And went around. Came out really, really clean overall. Then when I got to the middle here, what I did was I tapped in over there, ran her down over, stopped there, and I came over to the middle and I ran a wire from here somewhere in the middle, jumped off of each leg. See, I put a middle LED here. Let's see if you can see what I tapped in there. It's that simple. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. I hope this tip will help you. Again, these LEDs are cheap. I think they were like 25 bucks each, something like that. They're affordable. Again, it makes the van night and day difference compared to the two factory LEDs that came in it right here. This one, right there, that one there. Besides that, I hope this helps you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I've got a lot of tips and tricks coming on the van setup. Tips and tricks on air conditioning and HVAC and all that. Check it out.